My day starts with the alarm that I set on my Rabbit. Obviously, it works pretty well as an alarm clock. It's got a pretty loud speaker. Then I move on to use Proactive Rabbit, and it's just going to give me a rundown of what I got going on for my
As you
day.
gear up for the day, remember to check in on that review video for the Garmin Instinct Crossover Solar. It's got some impressive battery life metrics that could really shine in your planning.
So in this particular example, it's just telling me about this Garmin Instinct video I was supposed to be working on. Then I just got to run over to Recorder. I've got to run over to Recorder real quick so that I can take the brainstorming session that I did earlier and send it off to Gemini Spark. Why am I doing that? I'll show you later. Next up, I go out for my morning walk, where I usually am scripting out videos by voice into the meeting recorder. By the way, I never get sick of this scroll wheel. Just appreciate the design for a second before I turn on the meeting recorder and use these dual beamforming mics that really drown out any external noise and get a clear read on my voice, to then go out and script my videos by voice. I usually spend about 20-30 minutes just talking about everything I know about the device that I'm reviewing and everything I want to say, and then I click email with the really easy email button, and it goes off and gets picked up by my Gemini Spark. Now, I told you earlier I would tell you what that Gemini Spark is for, and I'm going to tell you now. Boom! Once it gets emailed to me, it gets processed by Gemini Spark, and it does whatever I told it to do in the meeting recorder. If I don't tell it to do anything, it just loads it up into a spreadsheet in Google Doc. Basically, very contextual. Depending on what I've done on the meeting recorder that I sent off, Gemini Spark will do something different. In this example, I was just going over all the video ideas I had and when I wanted to do them for, and it put them into this spreadsheet for me. Very, very cool. Now, this was a shorter video today, guys, but I just want to say, on February 1st, YouTube will be increasing the watch hours I need to be monetized to 8,000. Now, the watch hours aren't going to be a problem, but the subscribers are. So if you want to help me out, please drop a subscribe.